session, we immerse our gameplay with some ambiance by introducing a nighttime skybox and some torches into the scene. Kamusta and welcome to another awesome session. Let's start by adding a sky map to our game. Click on the settings icon. Click on rendering in the settings panel. I have some pre-made skyboxes for you here in the skybox directory. Let's drag and drop nighttime into the skybox field. Then let's turn off the lights so we can see the skybox in action. I'm just going to do a little adjusting here till I get the values I want. Mix to 2 gives me the skybox rendering I want. I'm just basically playing around with the settings till I get the right feel for the scene. Once we are satisfied, we are going to turn back on the lights just so we can work on the scene more clearly. Let's try to add some torches into our scene. Let's create a bucket under the room component to hold all our torches and bring our torch into the bucket. I'm now going to try to position this torch. Just like that. I think this is how I want it. Once we have it the way we want, we are going to switch back to top view. We are going to turn off the light so that we can see the torches glow in the dark. And start duplicating the torch and spreading it around. We just fix their positions to how we want it, rotating and moving as we see fit. Play around with it, have some fun. Now let's test it out. And there you have it. We have a beautiful game scene lit up by torches, immersed in the night sky. Hope you enjoyed this session. I know I did, and I will see you guys next time. Booyah! I hope you found these videos useful. Want to keep watching videos like these? Hit that subscribe and like button below so I can make you more for free. Booyah!